Plant obtain their inorganic nutrient from the air, water, and soil. Plant absorb a wide variety of the minerals and elements. Not all minerals element they absorb in required by the plant. Out of the more than 105 elements discovered so far, and less than 21 are essential and beneficial for the normal plant growth and development. The element required in the large quantity is called micronutrient, where those required in the less quantities or interest are termed as a micronutrient. These elements are the either essential constituent of the protein, carbohydrate, fat, and nucleic acids. Take part in the various metabolic process. Deficiency of the each of essential element may be lead to the symptom is called deficiency symptom. Chloro- Chlorosis, necrosis, stunned growth, and impaired cell division. It's some prominent deficiency symptom. Plant absorb minerals from the roots by the either passive or active process. They carry to all part of the organism through xylem along with the water transport. Nitrogen is very essential for the substance in the of the life. Plant cannot use atmosphere nitrogen directly, but plants are associated with the nitrogen fixation bacteria, especially roots of the legume can be fixed this atmosphere nitrogen into the biological usable forms. Nitrogen fixation required a strong reducing agent and energy in form of ATP. N2 fixation is accomplished with the help of the nitrogen fixation microbes, mainly rhizobium energy nitrogen, which play an important role in the biological nitrogen fixation is very sensitive to oxygen. Most of process take place in the anaerobic environment. The energy ATP required is provided the respiration of the host cell. Ammonia produced following nitrogen incorporated into the amino acid as the amino groups.